Urban trees offer many benefits to the community, and city planners are very interested in knowing where these trees are located, whether they are healthy or dead, the extent of their canopy, and what tree species they correspond to.
Right now, field techniques are incredibly time-consuming. Surveyors have to go from tree to tree and look at leaf to leaf.
The students, with a state-of-the-art instrument called a spectroradiometer, outputs a graph that basically tells how much radiation every single leaf emits. Pretty much like the fingerprint of our finger. It's unique to every object. Just by looking at the amount of radiation that was emitted by a leaf is not enough to tell us which portion of the spectrum is important in helping us identifying those tree species.
And if it wasn't for the statistical analysis programs, we would have no idea how to find these patterns with the blind eye.
And with the use of remote sensing, we'll be able to monitor tree health more easily and in a much more timely manner.
And that can be used for urban planners or forest managers to decide what trees they need to plant more of. They may want to use bigger, larger shade trees to help reduce the heat of the urban area. Being able to work with Dr. Duchesne one-on-one, kind of applying stuff that she's taught us in the class to a real-world issue has really expanded our ability to problem solve and brainstorm together. And also as a school like Whitewater, we're willing to take on these kinds of projects in the local area versus the larger schools that may not have the time to tackle such a local issue.
I'm really happy to see how students move on with their life once they graduate and do wonderful things with the knowledge that they obtain while here.